Hello traders, this is Ad Zeros and one of my trader requested wanted to see my NIO trade how I have traded. This is my afternoon trade. I'm going to post my other trades too. This is on 16x speed, so you can reduce the speed by going into the YouTube by increase lower the slower side. It's going to be too fast, and I'm going to give my commentary at this time as thing happens for your learning. So I've already added my position and I am short at this point at the 45.40, and there was a last support on the 5 minute chart if you see here on the 45. So I wanted to see what it does. It already bounced one time, and this time I was thinking that if it's going to come back down now, I'm going to add a little bit of my position here. So let's see how it does. So I added another 200 shares, around 250 shares. The Again it touched back, it getting a double bottom. Now I'm thinking that if it's going to go back again to my break even or this uh, resistance, then I'm going to break. It's going down now. I'm expecting to come all the way to the VWAP. That is my profit target. But I was also looking at it here on the 5 minute chart. Is have a clear 50 moving averages as a resistance. Let's see how it does it happen. So I'm already 37 cent in the money at this point, and let's see how does it go. It's moving well now. I'm happy to see what is I'm looking at it, but I really wanted to this to break 45, but this time it rejected. I took first partial, is almost big partial, and when I see that again, this was talking about is a mistake. When it came back down again, I added into my position, and I think that was the mistake I did, because now if you look at it, I'm almost 240 160 dollar out of money because I've added completely to my position. But now I'm looking at it thinking, okay, if this time if it's gonna go back up again, the resistance which is created on the 45.20, then I'm gonna stop out. But it's came back down now. I'm looking at it to see what is gonna happen, and I'm gonna take the profits. So I'm just looking at, if you see in the 5 minute charts, it's again trying to touch it. I'm add a little bit more position, and now let's see, my target is a VWAP, but I'm pretty concerned because the way it is moving up and down of the target. So I'm just now closely watching it to see, do I get better return? Okay, so now I get the 30 cents. I'm happy what I'm looking at this point, and I'm most gonna likely took the partial here and one more partial because it started moving back up again. And that's the way. All right, so this is on 16x speed. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and feel free to give me feedback if this is the way you like it. I'm gonna make more videos like that. Thank you.